Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into UI navigation in Roblox. We will learn how to make your UI elements accessible with a keyboard or gamepad. This is great for accessibility and gives players more control. So, let's get started. First, we need to understand what UI navigation actually is. It allows players to navigate through your UI using arrow keys, the tab key, or a gamepad. This is important for players who might find using a mouse difficult. To enable it, we need to use the user input service. We'll create a local script inside our screen GUI. Name it something like UI navigation script. Now, let's write the code. First, we need to get the user input service. We do this using GuiService, UserInputService. Next, we need to check if UI navigation is already enabled. Sometimes, it might be enabled by default or by another script. To check, we can use UserInputService.GamePad enabled. If it's already enabled, we don't need to do anything. But if it's not, we need to enable it. To enable UI navigation, we simply set UserInputService.GamePad enabled to true. It's that simple. But there's more. We can customize how the navigation works. For example, we can specify which UI elements should be navigable. To do this, we use the GUI service and its properties related to navigation. We need to make sure the AutomaticGuiNavigation property of the GUI service is set to true. This automatically detects focusable elements. Next, ensure your UI elements have the selectable property set to true. This tells Roblox that the element can be selected with navigation. Also, consider using the next selection up, next selection down, next selection left, and next selection right properties. These allow you to manually specify which element should be selected when the player presses the corresponding arrow key. You can set these properties to the UI elements that you want to link. This allows for more precise and controlled navigation. Remember to test your UI navigation thoroughly. Use arrow keys, the tab key, or a gamepad to make sure everything works as expected. Adjust the next selection properties as needed until you get the desired navigation flow. Good UI navigation makes your game more accessible and enjoyable for all players. This adds a layer of polish and player friendliness to your game. By following these simple steps, you can significantly improve the user experience of your Roblox game. Experiment with different navigation configurations to find what works best for your specific UI design. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe for more Roblox development tutorials. Consider supporting the channel through Patreon or by purchasing our assets on the Roblox marketplace. Your support helps us create more content. Let me know in the comments what other tutorials you'd like to see.